Hi everyone, this is Naga. Today I'm going to talk about my current ongoing phase 1 project, which is HealthOps AI, a clinical intelligence console. So, what is this? So, here I am tracking all the health records based on my health devices which I'm using, like the BP machine, the blood glucose monitor machine, and the weight scale. As of now, I have taken these three parameters, which is like blood pressure, blood glucose, and body composition, which is the weight scale. As part of phase one, I'm ingesting the data from CSV, which is exported from these devices. And as part of phase two, I want to integrate dynamically with the provider. Like for example, for the BP console, I'm using iHealth. So there is a developer portal which enables us to integrate with their uh, uh, cloud app, and directly we can register application and sync the data, which implies like we can dynamically sync the data to our application, and then we can generate our own insights. So that is in phase two. But coming to phase one of HealthOps AI Clinical Intelligence Console, here we are tracking the data for blood pressure, blood glucose monitor, and body composition. So we have like the module for uploading the data, where we'll be uploading the CSV files exported from these health devices. Apart from this, I have also included a module for uploading and checking the Apple health data. So if anyone is using the iPhone, so in iOS we have the Apple Health. So we can directly upload the complete Apple Health data, and it will be the data will be normalized, because the data is so like huge, and it's completely raw data. We are going to normalize it, and as of now I have not done any dashboards for Apple Health data, but I have normalized the data and I have uploaded it into the database. So let us move forward while I will brief you like what we are doing in this application, and what is it all about. Let me advance to the next slide. So coming to our HealthOps AI, this is a clinical intelligence console designed to transform the raw personal health data into structured insight and intelligent interactions. So we have multiple metrics, KPIs, and even we have the day-wise, week-wise trend, and also the meaningful insights and what the data is talking about. It is not just showing the data as a report, but we will be showing our insights on our health data, what we need to do. Apart from this, the main thing and the core differentiator is we have made this interactive with an agent. So for all three metrics, for example, for our blood pressure, for our blood glucose, and the body composition, we have three agents which with we can interact with the agent, and we can talk about our data, or you can even talk about if you have any queries about your health information based on the parameter. For example, I want to understand like my BP is increasing, so what are the remedies I can do? So it will guide us, and it enables us to interact with our agent, and we can do the health data conversations. So let me show you the demo. Let me pause for a while I start the application. So we are back here. Let me open the application. So I'm going to my Git. I just want to show it in the Git. So I already have it in my Git. It's ongoing, so it is still private. Once we complete, I'll make it public. This is our HealthOps AI repository. So it's all about what we are doing, and it's integrated with OpenAI. I'm using, as of now, using the GPT 4.1 mini model, and everything is configurable for us. Even we can configure the interactions of our agent here. So let me run the application and show you a walkthrough. Now let me hop back to Visual Studio Code, where I will run the application locally. Let me explain. So this is our application, and uh, so this application is based on Python. I use Streamlit, and we have the for agentic interactions. We are using OpenAI. So let me start the application. So this is our dashboard. This is the landing page. As of now, I have not uploaded any data. I have truncated all the data in order to show you like what we have. So this is the landing page, and this is the upload center where we can upload our data that is exported from all the CSV files from our health devices. This is for blood pressure, this is for blood glucose, one is for body composition, and I have a data admin module which will delete all the data. So as of now, I have not made this user base specific. For now, I'm just uh, to have the baseline application. I'm just testing on one user data. So once we streamline everything, we can have like user specific logins and user specific data uploads. Now let me upload the data. Before that, let me show you the data. So these are the data files which I uploaded from my health devices. One is for my blood pressure, the other is for the blood glucose and the body composition. The export data zip file is from Apple Health data. So directly we will get this file when we export complete health data from Apple Health. So let me go back to our app. So this is for blood pressure. So I'm just uploading this data. So some of the data is like test data, and I'm just uploading it for our demo. So these data are from my devices, like health devices. So let me upload for body composition as well. Or there might be invalid data which will be ignored, and we have to we have 15 rows that are inside. Now coming back to our reports, let me filter the data. Yeah, so this is the blood pressure report. We have the performance summary and what are the insights based on our data, what are our averages, the patterns, events, and what you should do, the stability indicator, and the trend analysis like average systolic and diastolic. This is the blood pressure trend. It shows for the reading available days and the daily average. We do have morning versus evening. This is the stage distribution, and this is the data, like whatever data we have, right? This is the data. This is the agentic review. The agent would review it, and the best part is this one where we'll have our agent which we can talk to. So I can say like, what are my last 5 readings? So this agent will be checking the data from our metrics, and it will be responding to us. Now I'll ask a question not on my data, but how will I'm just doing a normal conversation with the agent. So I asked just a question, how will I improve my health and BP? any food restrictions. So the agent is responding back with the suggestions here, the food considerations, what are the next steps, and we can even talk about it like uh, any general information on what is BP, how do I understand these readings. I'm just asking as a layman. So if you see here, it answered me like what is BP. It it told me like how do I understand my BP, etc. No, no, I don't want to take more time. Let me move forward. So we can. So the backend for this one is SQLite DB as of now. So all our conversations will be saved there. Now I'm coming to the blood glucose report. So this is the landing page for our glucose report where we do have the performance summary, insight summary, averages, what are the signals, and we do have the trend metrics here and daily glucose readings from our. These are the readings from our device which I exported, and these are the averages and average glucose by hour. So even here I can ask the questions like I'll go back here in the briefing session, like it will tell us like what is the current summary, what are the insights, what is recommended, or what are the recommendations. So I can ask any question here like say like what intake. I'm just asking as a layman. So it is responding, the agent is responding back, and even we can ask like this is the best part, like what are the best remedies to reduce sugar and reduce sugar intake. So it is just responding back to me with its conversation and what are the next steps now. Coming back to body composition, this is the body composition report. Let me close this one. This is the body composition report. Let me filter it. Yeah. So this is based on the data I have uploaded, test data or whatever data I uploaded. So as of now, it's saying like the weight is high and currently targeting or currently traversing towards obesity too, and we have the weight trend composition percentage, and it also shows the mean mass and metabolic signals. These are the readings from the device, the body composition device. So it's captured from there. Even for this, we have our body composition agent, which we can talk to and get clarification. And this is the briefing, like it can brief. This changes dynamically with the data what we have. So this is as part of phase one. So as part of phase two, I have not enabled the Apple data upload yet, so I will be covering it in the next session. But even we do have the complete module for uploading the Apple data, Apple Health data, and we can check the. So I will enable it once I have the complete dashboards. So Apple Health data has everything. For example, your heart rate, it has the steps you have done, it has the activity, how much speed you're walking and everything. So I'll be enabling that in phase two. So in phase two, I'm also thinking of connecting with the the health device providers and try to check with if we can integrate or we can subscribe to their cloud so that the data can be directly integrated. What I meant is like I want to skip this manual upload process so that as and when you are reading in your devices, the data will be synced to your like our internal DB, and these metrics will be updated, and the agent will work as is. So we will extend these agents like as and when the data goes there, these agents will start shooting us emails or sending us notification like, hey, this is what you need to take care of, or I see some anomaly or something like it'll alert us. So and my thought process is of taking this forward in that direction. So let's see how this goes in future. But for now, this is ongoing work in phase one. So I'll come with the next version of the demo with when we have a progress of having the Apple Health data and all. So do I request like you can post your comments and give ideas or say like what can be done even better so that I can integrate those things here, and we can have like insightful and end-to-end application where we can take care of our health and we can understand what is going on with our health. So thank you for watching, and let's meet again soon.